Get up, homie. You're fine. What else can I make him do? Fuck it, I don't know. Get sticks, bro. He looks dumb as hell, bro. Fucking Houdini? Where do you Come here, Kevin. 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 I need him to get some logs. And I'll start expanding the area. Oh my god, why are you following me, you fucking nutcase? Where's Kevin, bro? Just standing up there. Ugh, can't believe I gotta go get him. What the fuck? Aren't you the dumbest son of a bitch? Follow me, dude. You know what? Forget about him. Why is he running like that? What an interesting character. You get me some logs. I hope he puts it in the little storage thing. If not, I'm gonna pop him. That's a warning shot. Hey, what are you doing? Get up. You better get right back to work, motherfucker. Goddamn. You got 2 pieces of fucking 2 logs. You think you're done? Nah. You out here tripping. I'm out here working hard, bro. I made us a fucking tent. A tent. You know what? I'm tired of Kevin's shit, bro. I'm tired of Kevin's shit. He takes way too long to make this fucking house. Go ahead, bro. You can have that, honestly. You gonna eat it? I guess not. He's not into hand like that. Is he afraid of the fucking bird? I have a lot of shit, but I don't have the fucking house. And I blame that on Mr. Kevin. Let me help this motherfucker build the house. Watch him learn, Kevin.
The next day.
It's a well-built home. Taking a fucking nap already? You know what? Fire in the hole. I just used my Molotov like an idiot. And it didn't even light up. Get fucking teabagged, you piece of shit. Oh, Kevin, my fucking friend. How you doing? Here, follow me, my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, he got right back up. What an absolute champ. Oh, fuck me, Kevin. God damn it, bro. Swear to God. Oh, go fuck around somewhere, dude. Come on, Kevin. We got a date with Destiny at home. And I hope that building's finished. Because it don't look very finished from this angle. I'm willing to bet he doesn't put a single log on it. You're kinda useless, Mr. Kevin. Let's chop him up one by one. I swear to God, you're literally the most useless human being in the entire universe, my guy. Damn. Wait. Oh. There isn't one log placed. Kevin.